Want to bring order to your clutter? Plastic storage containers are a simple and affordable way to organize nearly any space in your home. In the garage or basement, go for heavy-duty, storage totes that can survive moisture and tough conditions. Label them clearly so tools, sports gear, and seasonal items are easy to find. For sheds or outdoor use, choose weather-resistant containers with tight lids to keep out moisture, pests, and dust. Use them to store tools, power equipment, and camping gear. Make use of the hidden space under your bed and on the top shelf of your bedroom closet to store seasonal clothing, hats, shoes, and linens. Use small, clear plastic bins to tuck away these items and keep everything easy to spot at a glance. Need more space? A storage trunk is perfect for tossing in spare blankets and pillows. In kids' playrooms, use clear bins or open plastic containers for quick cleanups. Opt for storage drawers to keep toys sorted and organized. Open plastic storage bins are also a great solution that gives kids easy access to all their toys. Plastic storage containers can work wonders for organizing your kitchen. Use stackable and sealable clear bins to store things like pasta or cereals and prolong their shelf life. Use decorative bins to organize laundry supplies, from extra detergent to dryer sheets. They'll help add style while keeping things tidy. With the right plastic containers, any room can stay neat and efficient. Shop at Lowe's to find your ideal storage solutions and start organizing today.